what are the chances somebody like me can make it to the Olympics even one time, all right? I wasn't a great athlete, 21 years old. I live in hot and humid Houston. I go pick the luge, for Pete's sake. I mean, what are the chances? 1 in a million? 1 in 10 million? I had a better chance to win a lottery. Probably did. I was just an ordinary kid with an extraordinary dream. I wasn't a big shot. I just a little shot, kept on shooting. Yeah, a little shot that kept on shooting. That's something anybody can do. Guys, you make a decision today that you can be a little shot, keep on shooting, look out. You make your dreams come true too. You will. So next time you're having one of those days, next time you're driving that car or you feel like that bug just smashed into the windshield of the car, just remember that guy that got to go to the Olympics. If I can do that, coming from where I came, you guys, with all the teamwork and all the love and all the, like I said earlier, man, I can feel it. You guys are a different type of group, right? You got an awesome leader. He makes it fun, but he knows, right? You guys can do anything, anything. So thank you so much for having me. You guys were awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Thank you, guys. Woo. Thank you.